The Secrets to Becoming Rich. I learned from Jewish people, timeless rules. Ever wondered why some communities seem to excel financially? Imagine a group where nearly 1 in 4 households earns $200,000 or more annually, according to Pew Research. This isn't just a coincidence. It's the result of deeply ingrained principles that have been passed down for generations. Today, we're diving into the financial wisdom of the Jewish community, a tradition that has consistently led to remarkable economic stability and success. We'll explore how these practices, grounded in ancient teachings, can be applied by anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Stay tuned as we reveal these timeless secrets that could change your financial future. Challenging common misconceptions. There's a widespread myth that Jewish culture promotes a disdain for wealth, equating poverty with virtue. However, this is far from the truth. In Jewish thought, poverty is considered a condition to be avoided rather than a state to aspire to. The community places a strong emphasis on self-sufficiency and meaningful work. Rather than seeing wealth as inherently negative, it is viewed as a means to ensure independence and to contribute positively to society. Jewish teachings advocate for a balanced life where financial success is pursued alongside ethical and charitable living. Core values and community orientation. The financial practices within the Jewish community are rooted in key values such as generosity, communal support, and prudent financial management. From a young age, Jewish children are taught the importance of these values, not just in theory, but through practical application. The Torah and other Jewish texts provide a moral and ethical framework that guides financial behavior, emphasizing the importance of kindness, charity, and community welfare. This framework encourages individuals to act responsibly with their money, balancing personal needs with the welfare of others. Practical financial education. The 5-jar method. A distinctive feature of Jewish financial education is the emphasis on practical learning. During holidays like Hanukkah, children receive monetary gifts and are taught to manage these gifts wisely using the 5-jar method. This method involves dividing money into 5 jars, each serving a different purpose: tithing, charity, investing, saving, and spending. This approach instills a sense of financial discipline and responsibility from a young age. 1. Tithing. The first jar is for tithing, setting aside 10% of income for religious or charitable causes. This practice teaches the importance of giving back and supporting communal institutions. 2. Charity. Another portion of money is dedicated to charity, reinforcing the value of helping those in need and fostering a compassionate community spirit. 3. Investing. The investing jar encourages children to set aside money for future growth. This teaches the importance of making money work for them rather than just spending it immediately. 4. Saving. The savings jar is crucial for building an emergency fund, preparing for unforeseen expenses, and promoting a habit of saving rather than spending. 5. Spending. Finally, the spending jar allows for discretionary spending, teaching children to enjoy their money responsibly without overindulgence. Avoiding financial pitfalls. A key element of financial stability in the Jewish community is a cautious approach to debt and spending. While many people fall into the trap of accumulating debt through credit cards or loans, Jewish teachings encourage living within one's means. This approach not only prevents the stress associated with debt, but also fosters a more sustainable and secure financial lifestyle. By avoiding unnecessary expenditures and focusing on meaningful investments, individuals can build a more stable financial future. The power of knowledge and networking. Another cornerstone of Jewish financial success is the emphasis on education and networking. The Talmud, an essential Jewish text, advises learning from those who are wealthy or successful. This principle encourages individuals to seek knowledge and mentorship from successful figures, understanding that experience and wisdom can be invaluable assets. The Jewish community places a high value on education, both formal and informal, recognizing that knowledge is a key driver of economic success. Additionally, strong community networks provide support and opportunities for professional and personal growth, making it easier to navigate the complexities of financial and business landscapes. Adopting these principles, a universal approach. The financial principles practiced by the Jewish community are not exclusive. They offer valuable lessons for anyone seeking financial stability. Regardless of your background, these time-tested strategies can be adopted to improve your financial well-being. Start by educating yourself and your children about money management, setting clear financial goals, and practicing disciplined saving and investing. By adopting these practices, you can build a solid foundation for a secure financial future. Conclusion: the path to financial freedom. In summary, the financial success observed in the Jewish community is a result of a rich tradition of financial literacy, ethical behavior, and communal support. These practices have been honed over centuries and offer a robust framework for anyone looking to achieve financial stability and success. By integrating these principles into your life, you can create a more prosperous and secure future. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is accessible to all who are willing to learn and apply these timeless strategies. So, take the first step today and start transforming your financial life.